reaction are chemical reaction in which the reactants absorb heat energy in the surroundings to form product. This reaction lower the temperature of their surrounding area. Thereby, it creates a cooling effect in the surroundings. In endothermic reaction, the entropy of the surrounding decreases. And also, the enthalpy change of an endothermic reaction is positive.
One example of endothermic reaction in our daily lives is the melting of ice. Water, in solid form, absorbs heat energy from its surrounding environment and melts, which induces a phase transition from ice to liquid form. Another one is cooking an egg. The texture and composition inside the egg will change as it heats up due to the heat in the water surrounding the egg. Exothermic reactions are reactions or processes in which energy is released, usually in the form of heat. In an exothermic reaction, energy is released because the total energy of the product is less than the total energy of the reactant. Therefore, the change in enthalpy is negative and heat is released to the surroundings.
Examples of exothermic reaction. Lighting candles. Lighting candles is an example of exothermic reaction because candle is a paraffin wax which is made up of hydrocarbon. When the candle burns, it comes in the contact of oxygen and there is a breaking bonds and hence the release of energy takes place. That's why it feels warm around the burning candle. Secondly, we know the burning paper is an example of exothermic reaction because the amount of energy released as product bonds form is greater than the amount absorbed as reactant bonds break. The energy released is in the form of light and faster moving molecules, which is why the air where the paper was is now appreciably warmer. No true magic is involved, but it's all the same.
Enthalpy is a thermodynamic property of a system. It is the sum of the internal energy added to the product of the pressure and volume of the system. It reflects the capacity to do non-mechanical work and the capacity to release heat. Enthalpy is an energy-like property or state function. It has the dimensions of energy and is measured in units of joules, and its value is determined entirely by temperature, pressure, and composition, and enthalpy is denoted as H.
Change in enthalpy can be applied in refrigerators. In a fridge, the refrigerants such as freon are evaporated. The enthalpy of vaporization, liquid to gas energy change, is equivalent to the coldness of your food. Another example of change in enthalpy are hand warmers. Some people use chemical heat packs or hand warmers outside. When you shake the pack, it begins to heat your hands. Thus, various reactants inside the packs are exposed to air.